Hi everyone, you're all welcome to my channel once again. The name of my channel is Learn Maths with Me, clearly written above. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also recommend my channel to people around you. Alright, now today we have a diagram before us. The diagram says we should find the value of y. Now this is the diagram. We have A, B, C, D, E, F. And inside the diagram, we have 2y, y, 2y, and y. And we're asked to find the value of y. Now, how are we going to go about this? This is very simple but very technical. Please watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any step. Alright, so if you have been following my channel, the first thing you are going to do before providing solution to any kind of problem in mathematics, you first of all say what? You say solution. Everything. So solution means that you are now ready to solve the problem. Now, after writing solution, you redraw the diagram again. Now, let me redraw the diagram again. So this is the diagram. My diagram may not be fine this time. All right. So this is the diagram. We have here. We have here. And we have here. So we have here is A, here is B, here is C, here is D, here is E, and here is F. So we have here to be 2y, we have here to be y, we have here to be 2y, and we have here to be y. Alright, so now let's continue. Now, if you look at this diagram very well, you'll find out that AB is perpendicular to BC. What does it mean? It means that AB is a vertical line standing on this horizontal line, this BC. So that is what? A perpendicular line. And angle that a perpendicular line make with an horizontal line is always what? 90 degree. So it means that everything inside this bracket like this, inside this diagram, sorry, is equivalent to what? 90 degree. Are you getting it? For example now, okay, let's compare this diagram with this. Look at it now. Let's call here Q, P, P, R. Now, if you join A to C, let's join A to C. You see that this diagram and this diagram are almost the same thing. So it means that the angle, everything inside this right angle triangle is equal to what? 90 degree. Please don't forget, angle in a right angle triangle is always 90 degree. So if that is well taken, now say AB, that is line AB is perpendicular to BC. I'm getting. So if it is taken, say therefore A, B, C is equal to 90 degree. ABC. Now this sign represents a right angle triangle. ABC. Why the sign is on B is because 90 degree is at the point where B is. I see. Alright. So if that is well taken, it means that 2y plus y plus 2y plus y is equals to 90 degrees. I get it. So 2y plus y plus 2y plus y will give you 6y, which is equals to 90 degree. Remember, we are looking for the value of y. So y will give you 90 degree all over 6. So y is equals to 15 degree. You can confirm it with a calculator. 90 over 6 will give you 15. So this is our final answer. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So before we go, let me quickly give you a rundown of the solution again. So we have a diagram before. The diagram says find the value of y. So we have A, we have B, we have C, we have D, we have E, we have F. And inside the diagram, we have P, we have 2y, we have y, we have 2y and y. So if you have been following my channel, the first thing you are going to do before providing solution to any problem in mathematics, you say what? Solution. Now, remember that if you look at the diagram very well, you find out that AB is perpendicular to BC. I see. Perpendicular to BC. That means the angle inside this diagram is what? 90 degree. If you compare it with this diagram, you find out that they are equivalent. Therefore, everything inside this diagram is equal to 90 degree. So if you look at it, to make it more understandable, say AB is perpendicular to BC. So ABC equals to 90 degree. This sign on B represents right angle triangle. That is angle 90 degree. The reason why it is on B alone is because the 90 degree is at what? B. All right, so that's why the sign is on B alone. So you now say 2y plus y plus 2y plus y is equals to 90 degree. So if you sum everything together, you have 6y equals to 90 degree, right? Remember, we are looking for the value of y. So 90 degrees all over 6 will give you 15 degree. You can confirm it with your calculator. So this is our final answer. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You can also recommend my channel to people around you. Thanks.